going on, folks? I'm Suburban Angling, back out here doing some more fishing for you guys. In this video, we're doing something a little bit different, and I want to get straight to the point because I know you guys came here for the fishing and have to hear me talk. Really quickly, for anybody who entered my last video's giveaway, stick around to the end. I'm going to announce the winner of it, so stick around to the end if you want to hear who won these fishing lures. For those of you who came here for the fishing, in this video, we're doing something different, something that I've never really done on the channel, and that's going to be some brown trout fishing. We hit up a undisclosed location with my buddy David, aka the Fish Finesser, and our mutual friend Ryan, and he basically put us onto some brown trout. We all hooked up at least once. It's a pretty interesting video, and like I said, something different for you guys. I really made this for my loyal subscribers. I really made this for the local guys, the people who've been watching my channel forever, because you guys have never seen me do something like this. For those of you who are new to the channel, who came here to watch some awesome brown trout fishing, this is my first time doing it. I'm new to it, so don't expect too much. But if you like what you see, go down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna get right into the video. And remember, like I said, guys, giveaway results at the end, so stick around to the end. Anyway, let's get to the fishing. Little by little, my little eggy eggs are...
One thing about trout fishing, guys.
Oh, for sure, G.
Sometimes I just don't have it.
Yeah, it's hard. Oh.
It'll be nice when the sun melts away and have some of this shit. Makes it difficult to float. Oh, there we go.
Look at that.
I just wanted to see a bobber down.
Boom. Oh, no. First bobber down of the day.
Yeah, I had a... Hey, I was headed to...
Woo.
Too low.
David's like me when we were ice fishing. Remember my...
Yeah, I feel like once the sun comes up, I think so. Yeah, I'm not feeling, bro. Why are you... Fuck, hey, why do you have to come off, though? He was...
There you go.
Like the same one I lost earlier.
I got you, hold on. I'm just backing up slowly. Look at that rod bend, folks.
Nice to have a brown in there.
Heck yeah,
Right in the schnoz.
pretty fish. Second hookup of the day. First one landed.
Just to say, it wasn't coming out. You just have to break it up. Pretty much.
Beautiful fish. He's gorgeous. Heck yeah. Alright, we're gonna get a few pics and toss them back. There she went, under the ice.
Might have to get her out.
she go?
Chilling, recuperating. Ooh, Davey got a Stina.
He acquired it.
I've been looking at it. Ryan thought it was he thought it was a cheapo, but it's not. A nice one? Hell yeah.
Yup. Look, David's on.
Crunch.
On that spinner.
Yeah, dude, I actually felt it.
Yeah. All right, that's what I'm throwing the rest of the time. Yeah, schmack, G.
My shit died too.
Damn.
Oh, that's a nice game though. My boy. Yeah, I know on the pre-spin I said that too. I was like, I'm gonna clap one on these.
I watched him get crunched. I'm on. Biggin. I thought I was snagged. No, he slammed it though. Although he could be.
Because you're folding.
It could be snagged.
You're folding. Even if it is, you have to get a good old picture.
I felt him like hit it a little, but like.
No, he could have whacked that thing. But it's so bent. You think he like, you know what I mean?
I thought I was snagged. Like, I didn't say anything for the first like 5 seconds. I was just sitting here like, and then all of a sudden he went whoomp, whoomp, and I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, I think you got him in the thing.
Yeah, it's just the way he's fighting. He's fighting.
For sure. Like, look how bent he is.
Yeah, like he's got to be in the fin.
I'm gonna give him a minute because you're definitely gonna be okay.
I mean, I felt him hit it, but like, I don't know if it was me hitting him.
I don't know. Hopefully he did hit it, but he might not have done.
Yeah, I don't know. I hope he hit it. But the Lakers, like, I did snag 2 of them or 1 of them in the back. Patty snagged 1 in the back too, because they're like.
He might be a good one.
God damn.
Yeah, big and he onto a big. Suburban angling boats onto a big.
Just kind of bumped into him, and then I set the hook because I felt the bump, and then whatever. I was for sure the first 10 seconds I was like, oh, I'm snagged. Like, I was just pulling on it, not like yanking, but kind of just like pulling, and then all of a sudden I'm like, oh shit, he's pulling drag. He's right here.
I know he's gonna take off right when you crank down one more time too. Yeah.
Oh god, I just seen the fins a little bit.
I know, it's gonna be a good man.
Oh god, no.
Look at them both.
Yeah, I couldn't tell if he was in the mouth or not. I definitely feel like he's snagged.
Yeah.
Oh god, I had to turn him. I was gonna see him. I saw him a little bit. I just feel like it's like. It's when he gets to the edge right here.
Every time. Maybe, oh, it is in his back. It's a big zip up there. It's in his back and it's a big reach.
Oh my, oh, it popped.
Oh, what was in his head?
It's all good. Yeah, it's okay. Honestly, right, folks, well, that's gonna do it for me in this video. Really hope you enjoyed this one. Again, something really different on the channel, something I haven't done ever. Brown trout fishing, brown trout river fishing. Now I'm headed down later this week to record some more brown trout fishing, but this time we're going to be fishing the Great Lakes. We're going to be fishing Lake Michigan. I'm super excited to be filming that one. Hopefully we get into some fish for you guys, so stay tuned and be on the lookout for that one. Now, for the reason most of you guys are watching this outro, for the giveaway winner, I'm just going to cut to the chase and put a little screenshot right here. Congratulations to Mark Paulo. You won the $40 of free fishing lures. So message me on Instagram. I think I already found your Instagram. I wasn't able to send you a message request though. So get up with me on Instagram, send me a message request, and I will get your address and contact information, and I'll get you those lures, man. So congratulations. For the rest of you guys, thanks for watching the video. As always, I enjoyed filming it. Be on the lookout for more brown trout fishing coming out soon, because I'm definitely going to be getting out there and trying to film some more of it. See you guys in the next.